Let's validate the data before publishing. Let's validate the data before publishing. Use this before sharing a report or dashboard. Please double-check these numbers. Please double-check these numbers. Use this when asking someone to verify the figures. I noticed a discrepancy in the report. I noticed a discrepancy in the report. Use this when the data doesn't match the expected results. Let's verify the source data. Let's verify the source data. Use this when confirming the original data is correct. The report contains accurate information. The report contains accurate information. Use this after confirming the data is correct. We need to investigate this issue. We need to investigate this issue. Use this when an unexpected problem appears in the data. The values don't match the database. The values don't match the database. Use this when comparing reports with the database. Let's review the calculation again. Let's review the calculation again. Use this when checking formulas or calculations. I found an incorrect entry. I found an incorrect entry. Use this when identifying a wrong value in the dataset. The data has been verified successfully. The data has been verified successfully. Use this after completing the validation process. Please review the final report. Please review the final report. Use this when asking for a final quality check. The dashboard is ready for approval. The dashboard is ready for approval. Use this when the report is complete and waiting for approval. Let's make sure everything is correct. Let's make sure everything is correct. Use this before submitting your work. The report meets our quality standards. The report meets our quality standards. Use this after confirming the report's quality. I'll correct the data immediately. I'll correct the data immediately. Use this when responding to a data issue. We should avoid manual errors. We should avoid manual errors. Use this when discussing best practices for data accuracy. The validation process is complete. The validation process is complete. Use this after finishing all quality checks. Let's compare the results one more time. Let's compare the results one more time. Use this before finalizing a report. Everything looks accurate now. Everything looks accurate now. Use this after correcting all issues. The report is ready to be shared. The report is ready to be shared. Use this when the report has passed all checks. Thank you for checking the report. Thank you for checking the report. Use this when appreciating a colleague's review. Your feedback improved the quality. Your feedback improved the quality. Use this after receiving helpful suggestions. Accuracy is our top priority. Accuracy is our top priority. Use this when emphasizing the importance of correct data. Great job on maintaining data quality. Great job on maintaining data quality. Use this when recognizing careful work. Let's deliver a reliable report. Let's deliver a reliable report. Use this as a motivating statement before submission.